Hey nerds, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the best game offers every month, and it is time for the month of August 2024. If you're looking to rack up some Swagbucks, you're in the right place. This month we have 3 exciting games that are sure to boost your earnings. And remember, when selecting these games, we're not just looking for the highest rewards, we consider a combination of good payout, ease of completion, and how long it takes to complete the offer. We want to ensure that you're getting the best value for your time and effort. So let's jump right in. First up, we have Klondike. This adventure game lets you explore uncharted territories, build settlements, and embark on quests. It's not just about fun, it's a great way to earn Swagbucks while enjoying a captivating storyline. So let's take a look at the Swagbucks offer over here. You are going to build, farm, explore, and more with Klondike. Follow the story of Paul and Kate going through quite a life. You have to reach the levels up to level 30 within 30 days to earn up to 9,900 Swagbucks. And there is an earning booster for 300 Swagbucks, so if you're going the free-to-play route, then you'll just consider it to be 9,600 Swagbucks. Let's go see what Reddit has to say about this offer. So I've just searched this up, and this is one that I see pop up a lot when people are asking which games and offers are good to complete. Almost always you will see Klondike answered, and first things first, I can see a guide for Klondike with a lot of upvotes and a lot of comments, so that thread has a lot of interaction. But the next 2 threads are completed Klondike and just completed Klondike, so really great things to see. So we're going to click on this guide here, and like any other guide you are going to see, it's got all the steps to complete. He's got all the tips from their own experience. 100%, if you're going to do this offer, go ahead and check out the Reddit and read a few guides on the best way to do this. Next up, we have Merge Dragons. So this unique puzzle game lets you merge objects to create new items and restore a magical land. It's both fun and strategic, making it a great way to earn Swagbucks. Let's go through the offer and see what you can earn and also some tips for completing. So looking here on the Swagbucks website, you see we can merge dragon eggs, trees, treasures, stars, magical flowers, and even the dragons themselves, all to create new incredible things. So you have 30 days to earn up to 6,355 Swagbucks. And as you can see here, it's a pretty progressive level increase until you reach the final level, which is Dragon Power 600. And then there's also an earning booster of 300 Swagbucks if you make any purchase. So again, if you're going completely free to play, instead of, Instead of a total of 6,355, you can look at it as 6,055 Swagbucks. So let's see what Reddit has to say about this game. Alright, so again, Merge Dragons is one of those very popular ones on Reddit. You can see a lot of different threads about it. I would recommend searching and just reading up what other people have to say about it. This first thread from 5 months ago says that this guy completed Merge Dragons. The offer was higher before because it offered a level 1000. But he did complete it in less than 4 days and explains all of his hints and tips over here with a TLDR: buy coin vaults, don't open any until you have 500, merge to produce coins and farm factories, things like that. So a lot of information out there for Merge Dragons. Again, I'm not going to go through everything, but do some research before you do start the game so that you have a head start there. So going over some tips for Merge Dragons, you're going to want to merge objects in sets of 3 or 5 for best results and higher rewards. If you've played merge games before, you know merging 5 is the most efficient with your resources. Focus on clearing the fog to unlock new areas and resources so that you can access more resources, and then you have more space to organize your area. And then, as always with these games, participate in events for extra rewards and special items. Sometimes they are really, really good events and they'll get you really good resources. So this is one of those games that people will start to earn the swag bucks, and then they'll find themselves still playing months and months later after the year offer is over. So it's a magical way to boost your swag bucks earnings while having fun. Last but not least, Cookie Jam. So this is a match 3 puzzle game, and it's both fun and addictive. Solve puzzles, create delicious combos, and level up to earn swag bucks. To help you succeed, let's talk about this offer. So here's the Swagbucks offer for Cookie Jam, and it says, are you tired of matching 3 candy or spreading jelly? Blast through dessert-themed islands and help Chef Panda crush cookies before they crumble in Cookie Jam. Reach the list goals within 49 days to earn up to 3,485 swag bucks. So not as high of an offer, but the ease to complete this is what makes up for it. It's a pretty easy and could be fun and addictive game for you if you're into these sorts of Candy Crush games. So as you can see here, you have to get all the way through level 405 to earn the complete offer, and there is an earning booster of 200 swag bucks. So if you did want to go the free-to-play route, then you're looking at a total of 3,285 swag bucks. So Cookie Jam actually popped up onto my radar because I always read these how'd you earn SB this past week threads on the subreddit, and this one was actually popping up a couple times in this thread. This guy finished Cookie Jam in about 5 days. This guy finished Cookie Jam this week. And this guy finished Cookie Jam this week. So that's when I thought, hey, I'll take a look at it. And I haven't actually started this one, but I think I will after reading that 3 people got it done in this particular week in July. So let's take a look at some tips for completing Cookie Jam. So since it's a match 3 puzzle game like that, to complete the levels, you're going to have goals in order to progress that you're going to need to complete in order to progress. So in each match or in each level, you're going to want to focus on creating special pieces like rainbow cakes and cookie boosters to clear the board faster. You're going to want to plan your moves to create larger matches and combos. Again, you're going to want to match those 4 across, which will give you a booster, or 5 across, which will give you a rainbow cake. And you're going to also want to keep an eye out for daily challenges and events to earn extra rewards. So this is just like any of those other match 3 games where you do have lives, and if you run out of lives, you'll have to wait for them to refill. When you're doing the events, you may get power-ups and boosts that'll help you progress like that. So whether you're a casual gamer or a puzzle enthusiast, Cookie Jam is a sweet way to increase your earnings. And that's it for this month's top Swagbucks game offers. Make sure to check out Klondike, Merge Dragons, and Cookie Jams to maximize your rewards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the best Swagbucks tips. And be sure to leave a comment if you have tried any of these games or if you're having luck in other offers. Let me know what you found to be effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!